hear any of this, but it is windy up here. Good morning from day 11. Camped up by that lake last night. Woke up pretty early, like 5:40, and the rain's coming in, so I figured I'd pack up. And here's the pre-sunrise over the ocean, and I'm about to hit the road. I got about 4 or 5 kilometers, I think, to where I meet the community walk, and then I get into St. John's. So I'll grab a breakfast in town, probably charge my phone a little bit, and then continue on to do a resupply, and then hit the road over, what's it called? Signal Hill, and then into Quidi Vidi, which is an artsy town. So I'll probably check that out this afternoon, and I'll check in along the way. Pretty windy last night, and definitely got a lot of dew and condensation on the inside of the tarp. But I think I packed up and kept my sleeping bag and stuff dry. Got that put away, and now I'm walking out. Windy, slightly windy, breezy. My hands are damp and kind of cold, but it's a great morning. And then here is the sunrise. You probably can't see that. That is the actual, I can see the shape of the sun. Wow, that's amazing. Also, I'm not sure I mentioned it, but it's supposed to rain in about probably less than an hour. So I got my frog togs on since it's chilly anyway. Got my rain skirt on. I don't know, things are good though. It's beautiful out here. All right. Okay, I'm looking down kind of towards Fort Amherst, and I just wanted to say, check this place out. Let's see. So here we've got kind of a alpine lake set above St. John's, and back here you can see St. John's. Now look over here. Some cool stuff. I'm not sure what I'm hiking over, but I'm hiking over some of that for sure. Signal Hill, maybe that's, oh yeah, that's the one kind of in the center right there. St. John's Harbor. That's Signal Hill up there. I gotta walk way down the harbor and around it, and then through town, get my resupply, have breakfast. All right, so walking through this side of the harbor has been kind of more industrial, big boats, tractor trailer trucks with compressors running, that sort of thing. It's cool, I'm in the shade, but I'm warming up for sure. And I saw the rain is supposed to come in at 8:30. It's about 8 now. So my goal is to get around the harbor over there and find a restaurant to sit down at before it rains. That's key. All right, just had coffee, a couple coffees and a breakfast sandwich at a cool little cafe. Charged my phone up, and now I'm going to, I found a locally owned grocery store that I'm heading to that's not very far away. So I'm gonna go get my resupply going and get out of here. It's kind of misting lightly. Got my raincoat on. It is comfortable. I'm not complaining. All right, I'll check in later. All right, about to head up Signal Hill. Cool mural. Big boat. St. John's Harbor. I came from up there this morning. Okay, just topped out Signal, what is it? Signal Hill, and then it's definitely spitting now. I'm still fine without my raincoat. With these views, a little hard to see stuff because of the mist in the air, but look at that. And then now I got to get down into Quidi Vidi, which is kind of an artsy town on the north side of St. John's. So I'll go through there, maybe stop into a shop. I don't know, we'll see. Probably just gonna keep walking. But I'm comfortable. Still not getting too wet. Half of the moisture on me is sweat, so. Rainy days are always worse when they're tomorrow. Yesterday I was worried about the rain, and I'm perfectly comfortable. It's not raining too bad, but I can take this, no problem. So I stopped in the little like artisan shops in Quidi Vidi. They had some couches. Set my pack down, let my phone charge back up to 100. Chatted with a leather maker in there and got on my way. So this path has a landfill above it. So I made sure I brought enough water so I don't have to filter through this section. And yeah, things are going well. Kind of a nice little easy community walking today. You know, flat, getting some miles in. Got through the city and probably could have explored it. Well, I could have explored it a lot more, but kind of wanted to get straight to the point. And if I want to come and visit the city, I'll do that after I finish the trail. I don't know what that's called, but probably Quidi Vidi Harbor and Signal Hill, Quidi Vidi, and then St. John's back there. What a day. It's really pretty. I'm getting a little wet, a little sweaty, a little warm, but it's all good. So I can't get through this place quick enough. I mean, look how nasty this is out here. That's all trash. That's all trash. Look at that. It's almost like the landfill was, like they almost used to just push it down into the woods. I believe the landfill's like right up there, but it's probably up in the woods. It's definitely brought here from birds and wind. That would be my guess. There's tons of birds. A gull-nado, if you will, over the landfill. All right, it might be too windy to hear me, but just got through a wood section by a landfill, a bunch of trash in the woods. Must have been just below the landfill itself. Probably birds and wind and critters carrying stuff down to the path. Anyway, came out to a big view. Like I said, lots of wind. I just learned that those are fishing boats. That's a big, big boat, so that's a fishing boat. And then another really cool feature up here north of me. I'm not even sure what that is yet, but pretty cool. All right, that feature was Sugarloaf Head, and I am I'm on top of that. You probably can't hear any of this, but it is windy up here. Just whipping through. I passed the campsite, and I'm kind of regretting it, but it's still early. I think it's like 3:15. I've done 15 miles, so I'm just gonna keep going. Well, I did it again. I overshot the campsite that looked good, and now I'm in a community and I got a 5 kilometer. Anyway, it's 3:45, so there's still plenty of time, but my evening is unknown again.